What's going on, everyone? Welcome. I'm Corey and this is Offbeat Motors, and today we're going to be doing a video on my wife's Lexus IS. It's a 200T version, so it's got the 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo, and we're going to do a little enhancement to it. Nothing major, just something a little bit subtle, and it's something I picked up a few months ago, and I'm just now getting around to finally installing. And you know, it's her birthday after all, so I figured I'd do it today. So let's get right into this. Okay, so in the box, you can probably tell just by the shape of it. I mean, it's probably no secret that it's a spoiler. And this particular spoiler, I picked up off of eBay. And it's from Ikon Motor Sports. She doesn't want anything wild or anything like that. And, you know, because it's not like it's the F Sport or anything like that. It's the basic, no, I wouldn't say basic, but it's the more luxury style. It's not the sport style. So we just wanted something that was going to be a subtle enhancement to it for the rear deck lid. So I got a lip spoiler for it, and I did go with carbon fiber. I do plan on putting some carbon fiber mirror caps on, probably some couple other carbon fiber pieces here and there. But just a little bit of subtleness of the carbon fiber. And I didn't really know what to expect, because this is Ikon Motorsports. I've heard some good things, I've heard some bad things with some of their other products. And I'm actually kind of impressed with the quality of it when I got it. The weave's very nice. It looks like it's a pretty decent quality, so I'm impressed, especially for the amount of money it costs, and it's extremely light because, well, carbon fiber. Now this particular spoiler, it's going to go right on the lip, as it says, it's a lip spoiler, and it's going to be held on with VHB, or very high bond tape, which they do provide. But you have to put this on the back of this, which we are going to do first. Then we're going to get the car cleaned, and then I'll show you how to install this. It's pretty simple. Just about anybody can install it. It's more about taking your time and lining things up before you actually stick it to the car, because yeah, once it sticks, it's down there pretty good, and it's a bear to get off, as you probably know with a lot of this VHB tape. And stuff works pretty good, and this is 3M, so it's not like it's the knockoff. So let's get going on getting this prepped, and also once I get the tape on there, I am going to, where'd it go? I got it here somewhere, hold on. I'm going to be coating it with this. It's Hydro Selects. It's not really a ceramic coating. It's kind of a ceramic coating. They call it a ceramic coating, but it's not a permanent coating. It doesn't last for 3, 4, 5 years like normal ceramic coating. This protects for about 6 months or so. I have to do it to our car anyways before winter hits. So I figured what I would do right now is I would do this while I have it in my hand here in the house. And then when it comes time to do the car shortly, then I'll just do it all over again. And this will help protect this, because a lot of times you'll see that these things will start to yellow and whatnot, especially the lower quality ones. Now I don't know if this is going to be the case with this or not, but I'd rather not take a chance, and you're just better off protecting it anyway. So let's get started putting the tape on. I got a towel here on the table so I don't scratch anything, and then we'll get this all protected, and we'll go ahead and get it put on. See that weave and that glare? Oh yeah. And of course it's right there as well. So it's pretty nice. Okay, so let's get started. Pair of shears. These are just all-purpose shears. VHB. Set that off to the side. And we're going to run a strip along this edge, just a little bit on the inside, and along here as well. And probably run a couple strips in between, a little dabs in between, just so it holds properly. So you got your 2 strips, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a couple pieces, not very big, and then put them here in the center, probably here, 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 and here, something like that, just to give it a little extra hold. And then we'll go ahead and we'll press everything down. Okay, and there you have it. This is all that's going to hold it on. Next thing we need to do is clean this surface and prep it before we put on the hydroslicks. Just find what I did with the isopropyl alcohol. Speaking of which, by the way, before I put this on the bottom, I did wipe this down with the isopropyl alcohol. You make sure you do that as well, and we're going to end up doing the same thing on the trunk before we place this down as well. You don't want any of the oils and stuff from your fingers or whatever else on here when placing this, or otherwise it's not going to stick very well. So let me find out where that isopropyl alcohol is that I had. Found it. It was way under here, all the way about here. I couldn't even see it. So just squirt some on here. Got a spray bottle, that's fine. Sometimes you got wipes that you can use. Again, this just gets the grease and stuff off, especially because I've been handling it with my fingers. Okay, that's dry. We're going to do this. Always pull your tags off. One less thing you have to worry about that's going to scratch it. Just going to go ahead and do a second coat of this. If this is something you guys are interested in, I did a video on this a while back. I'll put a link in the description below on my review of it. It's pretty decent stuff. Like I said, it's not 100% ceramic coating. You can't just put it on there and leave it for a few years, but it does a really nice job, and I kind of like it. Brings out, I did it on my wife's old car. The video was anyways, and it really brought the red out. You can see how deep of a red that was. Alright, and there we have it. That's all cleaned up. And tape is on. Next we're going to get the car cleaned, and I'm going to cut to getting the trunk ready, because everybody knows how to clean a car. So we'll get the car clean, and next shot you're going to see is prepping the trunk to get this put on. Okay, so it's all done.
Okay.
Now you get to see it. I want to see what your reaction is. You knew I was doing it,
Yes.
but you didn't know what it was going to look like.
Okay.
So I want to know.
Let's see if I like it.
Yeah, let's see if you like it. I think you're going to like it. I really like it.
Oh. That looks actually kind of good. I like it a lot. It looks way better than I thought it would.
Yeah, it's very subtle.
Yeah.
Being the fact that is not the F Sport version of this, it's the more luxury, I guess you would say. We didn't want anything that was going to be like big. You didn't need a big old wang. You just wanted something subtle, a little lip spoiler.
I like it.
And what do you think about the carbon fiber?
I love it. I really do. The black with tinted windows with that, it really pulls it in as well. I like it a lot.
Yeah, and eventually what I'd like to do is get carbon fiber mirror covers.
Uh-huh.
And I think there's also, you can replace these with the carbon fiber.
Ooh, that look cute.
These are the brake ducts, which are actually, they do actually work, surprisingly.
Oh.
There's actual, can't really see it here, but the holes are right there, and it comes right on the brake, so I'm actually surprised they actually work. But yeah, so
That looks good.
I think it came out nice. I really like it.
I do too. Thank you.
Well,
I appreciate it, babe. Thank you.
I've had it for a while.
Yeah.
Haven't gotten around to it because it's usually hot or cold or windy or raining. But today's your birthday, so I figured why not?
It is.
Get it done today. So, yeah, came out nice. I like it.
I like it a lot. Thanks, babe.
Cool. I like it even better now that you actually like it.
Yeah.
I didn't know how you were going to do with the whole carbon fiber thing because you're not like that.
No, but it looks good.
Okay, cool.
It's not too much.
So there it is. Yay, the first modification. I get modification. I stuck a spoiler on it. Now it just needs some more power.
Yeah.
Maybe a little catback exhaust and
Okay, doing too much.
no, just something a little bit more of a roar.
Oh, okay.
I don't want something annoying like straight pipes. It's not going to be nearly as loud as my Challenger.
Okay, good.
And then maybe a tune for the ECM.
I don't know what that means, but okay.
Race Chips has a plug-and-play tune, piggyback, and you can get like an extra 60 horsepower out of it.
Oh, I like horsepower.
So, yeah,
I'm game for that.
we'll see. That's not going to happen until probably 2021.
Yeah.
So,
She looks good, though.
more to come eventually, but that's it for now. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If not, let me know what I can do better. If I'm stupid, you know I am. Don't tell me that. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Bye, guys.